Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now this is your EVS class. So all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 135. In the last offline classes, we have already completed that question from where do the people in Madhosh village fetch water for drinking? Number 2, who fetches water in Madho's house? And water collected in the tanka is mostly used for drinking. Why? So next question, is rainwater collected in your house as well as? If yes, so how? So is rainwater collected in your house as well? If yes, how? So no, answer is no. Rainwater is not collected in my house. Okay. So next, number 2. Can there be any other method of collecting water? Number 2. Can there be any other method of collecting water? Yes, water can be collected in tanks, drums, buckets, etc. It can also be stored by setting up water collection units or plastic water tanks at the house rooftop. Okay. So next, page number 136. Okay, this page. Just like Madho, Sonal also faces water scarcity in her house. She lives in Bhavnagar. Water is supplied only for half an hour in a day. All the people of the area depend on only a single tap. Can you imagine what happens? So Sonal is determined to take water from the top, and whenever she gets a chance, she fills her bucket even if it is just drop by drop. Let us find out how many drops will fill a bowl or a mug. Okay, so see this activity. You can do this work in your home also. Do activities as shown in the picture and write answer in the boxes. How many drops will fill a spoon? You will make this activity. Okay, so one by drop fill a spoon. So 2 or 3 or 5, 4, anyhow. Next, how many spoons will fill a bowl? Okay, so 15 or 20 or 80, it measure in the shape of the bowl or the spoon. Next, how many bowls will fill a mug? Okay, you will must do this. And how many mugs will fill a bucket? Okay, so have you seen we got so much water drop by drop? Okay, next, page number 137. Okay, this page. Just think, if a tap leaks even drop by drop, how much water would be wasted? This picture shows you something similar. Okay, next question, can you think this question? Okay, can you think of ways of saving water? Write your suggestions below. So see the board. Can you think of ways of saving water? Number 1, never leave a water tap open. Number 2, recycle water whenever possible. Next, number 3, fill a bucket of water instead of shower while taking bath. Okay, so answer is never leave a water tap open, recycle water whenever possible. Fill a bucket of water instead of shower while taking bath. Okay. Next question. Have you seen water flowing necessarily in your home, school or any other place? Where? Have you seen water flowing unnecessarily in your home, school or any other place? Where? Okay. So answer is yes. There was a tap in my garden which was leaking water drop by drop. My father got it repaired as soon as possible. Okay. So next, page number 138. See this picture. Okay. Draw lines using different colors of so which work will be done after the others so that the same water can be reused. One example has been given. Okay. Washing hands and faces, washing clothes, washing fruits and vegetables, mopping the floor, watering plants and using the toilet. Okay. So I raise the board. Okay. So number 1, that is washing hands and face. Washing clothes, washing fruits, washing fruits and vegetables. Okay. Mopping the floor, mopping, mopping the floor. Watering plants, using in the toilet, okay. So washing fruits and vegetables, watering plants, washing clothes, this is use, mopping floor, and washing hand and faces using in the toilet. Okay. So you have given some suggestion to reuse water. People use these methods only under conditions when there is a scarcity of water. And do you know, one of the reason for the scarcity of water is because people waste water. And just think how good it would be if everyone got water. Okay. So we should do not waste water. Okay. And we reuse the water if possible. So people use this method only under condition when the water is scarcity. Okay. And do you know, one of the reason for the scarcity of water is because people waste it. Okay. So today I have completed this chapter drop by drop up to page number 138, and next classes we will do our workbook question answer. Okay. So thank you students, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.